For those who aspire to build their collection of timepieces or simply appreciate the art of watchmaking, a question often looms large. Is this the opportune moment to invest in a Rolex? To arrive at an enlightened verdict, one must skillfully navigate the intricate terrain of the luxury watch market, grasp the factors that underlie Rolex's enduring allure, and stay attuned to the prevailing market dynamics. In the forthcoming presentation, we will embark on a comprehensive exploration of these dimensions, arming you with the wisdom necessary to make astute choices in your Rolex investment journey. Welcome to Capital Luxury, your ultimate destination for all things Rolex. Join us on this journey as we explore the world of luxury watches, providing expert insights and the latest market updates. Don't miss out on the opportunity to discover the smartest moves you can make with your Rolex timepiece. Stick around. This is one video you won't want to skip. The luxury watch market. A shifting landscape. The luxury watch market is in a state of constant evolution, shaped by a myriad of factors, including economic conditions, consumer preferences, and brand reputation. It's a dynamic world where discerning buyers navigate a sea of options, each timepiece representing a unique blend of artistry and engineering. The Rolex resale market. A historical perspective. Rolex, with its rich heritage, has consistently demonstrated its prowess in retaining value over time. This remarkable stability in the resale market is attributed to several factors, chief among them being Rolex's enduring popularity and its meticulous control over production and distribution. However, it's crucial to note that the resale market is not immune to volatility. A Rolex's resale value is influenced by a multitude of factors, including the specific model, its condition, rarity, and the current market demand. As prospective buyers, it's essential to comprehend these intricacies to make informed decisions about your Rolex investments. Supply challenges and waiting lists. One of the hallmarks of Rolex's strategy is the deliberate management of production levels. This approach, while ensuring exclusivity and desirability, often results in lengthy waiting lists for popular models such as the Submariner. As a potential Rolex buyer, you must consider the waiting time and weigh the options between acquiring your desired model through authorized dealers or exploring the secondary market. The challenge of counterfeits. In a world where luxury brands are often counterfeited, Rolex is no exception. Counterfeit Rolex watches flood the market, and distinguishing genuine from fake can be a daunting task. To avoid falling victim to counterfeits, it's imperative to exercise caution and ensure the authenticity of your Rolex purchase. Buying from authorized dealers or reputable sellers armed with proper documentation and certification is a prudent approach. The ever-present question, should you buy a Rolex now? Given the nuanced dynamics of the luxury watch market, the question that lingers is now the right time to invest in a Rolex? The answer, intriguingly, is both straightforward and complex. Presently, Rolex prices have experienced a decline, a trend cited by Morgan Stanley analysts. Prices for popular pre-owned Rolex and Patek Philippe models are expected to decrease further due to increased supply. However, this is just one piece of the puzzle. While it's easy to focus on recent price fluctuations, a broader perspective is essential. In the 36 months leading up to this period of decline, Rolex indices had surged by a remarkable 400%. This astounding growth serves as a reminder that investing in Rolex watches has been an incredibly profitable endeavor. It underscores the notion that the luxury watch market, while subject to fluctuations, offers substantial returns over the long term. Understanding the Rolex phenomenon. Rolex's enduring appeal transcends market movements. It's a brand that symbolizes precision, craftsmanship, and status. Rolex watches are coveted for their exceptional quality, timeless design, and the inherent prestige associated with owning one. These attributes continue to draw enthusiasts and investors alike. A paradigm shift in consumer behavior. One of the most captivating transformations in the luxury watch market is the shift in consumer behavior. No longer content with acquiring watches merely for collection purposes, enthusiasts are actively engaging with their timepieces. They're embracing the concept of part exchanges, trading their cherished watches for the next horological adventure. This shift has injected a new vitality into the luxury watch market. Enthusiasts are increasingly interacting with their timepieces, seeking to make their watch dreams a reality. The surge in engagement, be it through websites, social media platforms, or YouTube, underscores the enduring passion for exceptional timepieces. The Rolex investment landscape. Investing in Rolex watches demands careful consideration. It requires a blend of historical knowledge, market awareness, and a discerning eye. While the luxury watch market can be influenced by numerous variables, including economic conditions and consumer preferences, certain timeless principles hold true. Quality over speculation. One of the prevailing narratives in the current luxury watch market is the emphasis on quality over speculation. Speculative, unprofitable companies have seen significant declines in their stock prices, with some dropping by 70%, 80%, or even 90%. The market is now focused on what's real and what generates profits. This shift brings investment attention back to solid balance sheets and high-quality companies. The role of regulation and crypto. The cryptocurrency market has been an intriguing topic of discussion. As Bitcoin experiences fluctuations, some investors are re-entering the crypto market when prices drop below certain thresholds. The recent surge in regulatory discussions surrounding cryptocurrencies suggests a potential shift toward a regulated crypto market. This development could have far-reaching implications, separating legitimate projects from unregulated, speculative tokens. The road ahead in 2023. What does the future hold for investors in 2023? It's a question that demands careful consideration. The prevailing narrative in the financial world suggests a potential soft landing for the economy. This scenario, once considered unlikely, has gained prominence, with some analysts estimating a 50% chance of a soft landing. Investors are advised to prepare for muted market returns, potentially ranging from 6% to 8%. This underscores the importance of focusing on quality investments and solid balance sheets across multiple sectors. Sectors like healthcare and commodities, including gold, are gaining attention. The narrative also highlights the resurgence of dividends as an attractive option for investors. The Rolex investment. A sound choice. In conclusion, the Rolex investment remains a sound choice for those who navigate the luxury watch market with wisdom and patience. Despite price fluctuations and market dynamics, Rolex watches have proven to be enduring assets, offering substantial returns over time. While the market may experience shifts, the passion for remarkable timepieces continues to thrive. As we journey through the evolving landscape of luxury watches, remember that owning a Rolex is not merely an investment in a timepiece. It's an investment in a legacy of precision, craftsmanship, and enduring elegance. So, to answer the question, should you buy a Rolex now? Yes, provided you do so with prudence, research, and an understanding of the market. Investing in a Rolex is not just about acquiring a watch. It's about embracing a legacy of excellence. Thank you for joining us on Capital Luxury, your trusted source for Rolex market updates and expert insights. Stay informed, stay elegant, and stay tuned for more exciting developments in the world of luxury watches. As you contemplate your next horological journey, remember that time is on your side when you choose Rolex.